Palmetto Bluff. That's not a bad place to start and be on our team, right?
It's so beautiful here. I could get married here.
You know, actually, Justin Bieber and Hailey Baldwin, well, right now Bieber, got married right here in Palmetto Bluff.
I wish I could be like Justin Bieber.
I just tell him I got no.
The best.
We had multiple offers.
We're so excited. Thank you so much for making this all possible for us.
Hi, this is Kasia Pawelek with eXp Realty, and today I wanted to show you this beautiful cottage in Palmetto Bluff. I cannot wait to show you inside.
So you mean Justin Bieber was married right here?
Actually, not only that, but this was also a place where Mr. Wilson had his winter and spring home, which was 4 levels mansion that took 5 years to build. You can see only the ruins and what remains of it, but it's such a beautiful place. I mean, so magical all around this entire Wilson village.